So far I'm already making money with my YouTube channel, and I don't really remember how much I've made so far in total, but I'll put it on the screen for you to see it. And I plan on doubling that, tripling that with this strategy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time since I posted. I think it's been about 5 months since I posted now. I've been really busy and got distracted a little bit as usual. So today's video is going to be about how I plan on making 10k a month with my YouTube automation business. I started this journey it's almost been a year now, and I tell you, it's been a big challenge. There's been ups and downs, and it's not been really easy. I've had to find a way to figure out everything by myself. So I found this video that was talking about YouTube automation, and the guy basically walked you through a tutorial on how to start a YouTube automation channel. I looked at it and I figured this was something I could do. This was something I could give a try. Bear in mind that I've tried a lot of things past few years, like a lot of things, and lost a lot of money in different courses and coaches. And I thought to myself, this looks easy, I'm going to try and see if it works. I ended up doing it and it worked, and I was getting traction on my channel. I even documented my journey. I shared it on my TikTok page. I shared it on this channel as well. After trying it, I came and I did the tutorial. I'll put it on the screen for you. It's on my channel. You can go watch that tutorial on how to set up a YouTube automation channel and how to start. Throughout the process, it's been really successful, I would say, because my channel has grown now to 60,000 subscribers. We're not long hit 60,000 subscribers, and it keeps growing. Knowing me, I've got a big shiny object syndrome, and why, instead of me like focusing on just doing that because I was getting result and I was making money, I started to jump into other things. I even started drop shipping, and then I tried to do Pinterest. The Pinterest one, I haven't really done it properly because I have a feeling that would be good, but I haven't had time to do that. And now I think it was 2 days ago, I watched a video from Liam. I'm going to put the guy on the screen. He talks a lot about AI actually, and how to automate your business or build AI system and all that. And I gave 5 different examples of businesses you can start in 2024/2025. And I thought to myself, this is a great idea. Why don't I use what I already know how to do well, and use it to make myself a lot of money and grow a business out of it, and then hopefully at some point start offering people that service, because I already know it. I've taken the time into researching and actually doing the works. I have gone through challenges and overcome it, which is why I decided to start this channel over again and start posting and actually show you my journey on what I'm going to be doing. So for those of you who don't know anything about YouTube automation, who hasn't watched my previous videos, so I'll just explain it quickly and briefly for you. YouTube automation is basically a business strategy where you're creating YouTube videos without showing your face. Some people don't use your voice. You can also use your voice. I don't. I use AI for the channel that I currently run. And you don't create the script. You also use AI to create the scripts as well. It might sound easy because the way the tutorials on YouTube are making it seem, even my video included, it seems really easy, but the idea of actually building a YouTube automation channel, the process is easy. The difficult part is actually creating the script, like using the right prompt, and then also tweaking it until you find the right type of script or the right result that you're looking for. That's the difficult part. That it's not hard to just put like a simple prompt onto ChatGPT or create a YouTube channel or even create the images. That's easy. Doing that's easy. I use software like Pictory, which I also put on I think it's on my channel. If not, I'll put it under this video. I use those software to create the videos, which is easy. The difficult part for me that I struggle with the most is the scripting part. So creating engaging script with AI, it's not easy. When you finally figure out a way to make this work, which I have, and the process is working smoothly, that's when you start to enjoy the result, because you benefit from using that prompt over and over again, and you're able to tweak things around and you know what to change. Now here comes the fun part, which I discovered. Now the idea is to find the way to completely automate this process. So not just using AI script or AI video, I am going to automate the process where I don't have to do anything. All I have to do, ideally, all I have to do is put a title in, and then the AI will go and create the script, and then it will go through creating the scene, putting the scene, creating the audio, putting the scenes and the audio together, and then actually editing that video for me, putting it all together for it to be ready to post. Then all I have to do is go and look at that video, maybe add some effect if I wanted to, and then upload it onto the channel that I plan on starting. Yeah, it seems like it's impossible, but with what I've been learning so far from a few people, which I'm going to share with you in a bit, it is possible to do that, which is why I need to go into this and I need to learn this. Doing this is going to allow me to be able to run multiple channels at the same time. I spend a few maybe like an hour max a day on running them. Actually, to create one of my videos right now, it takes me about the whole day, or even 2 days sometimes. The process is easy, like I said, but it takes time to create those videos, even though you're not mentally doing the work, but you're putting your time into it, which is what I'm trying to reduce right now using this automation. I'm sure you probably heard the buzz about AI. Like, it's literally everywhere on YouTube. Everyone is talking about AI and stuff. Thing is, using AI in your business is very, very important. I'm starting to realize it's very, very important, because there's a lot of people that are using AI to make a lot of money, offering the service, learning these skills, or how to use this particular platform with AI, and then selling it to people, or even using it in their business themselves. For me, I've decided to learn to start with a platform called Make.com. This is an automation platform. It's similar to Zapier, but it has a lot more to offer than Zapier, and people say it's much easier, which is why I decided to start with this. The video that I was talking about, where Liam was talking about different business ideas that you can do using AI in 2025, it kind of gave me there was one he talked about that gave me an idea, and I thought, this is something that I can definitely implement into my business right now. And it's something, if I learn Make.com and how to use it, I'll be able to not only to help me with my business, with my YouTube automation business, but I can also actually offer it to other influencers and YouTubers and help them with their business as well. Now, so here's the breakdown that I'm going to be using to hit this 10k a month, and I believe me, I know I will, as long as I stay focused and I don't get distracted. Again, my shiny object syndrome, I know I will do this in no time. So the process is going to be, I'm going to research different niches that are fairly easy to create videos with, and also to edit the videos with. I am going to research using my research strategy, that if you want to know, let me know below in the comments, and I'm happy to do a video about that. I think I already did on my channel. I'm not really sure if I have. I think I might have, knowing me. But the process is going to be finding a niche, like I said, and then I'm going to learn how to write a script for that niche. For example, let's say it's an history niche, so I need to learn how to write high converting scripts for history niche. I'm going to do this by studying other really viral videos in that niche, and then using ChatGPT to learn the concept and how they write in that script for that niche, and then I'll be able to implement it into my own YouTube channel. And then I'm going to also learn how to use Make.com, the system, how to automate everything. I will definitely be using ChatGPT to help me with this, because I feel like at some point I'm going to need to do some coding, and I don't know anything about coding, so this is where ChatGPT will be very useful for this. I'm also going to learn how to use Make.com to automate the editing process. This part is really minor for me, so even if I'm not able to use AI to edit the video, I can manually do that myself. As long as everything is put together, it's only going to take me like 15 minutes max for me to put them together, depending on the niche. That's why this strategy is going to be very important with the niche that I pick. The niche is a priority, because if it's not easy to create, then it's going to be almost impossible for me to automate it, at least as a beginner, because I need everything to be as easy as possible. Now, the next step after learning Make.com, I plan on learning Python as well, because it has to do with coding. I've come to realize after watching people talk about Python, and I also started watching this video. I put it on the screen for you. It's a course, a full 11 hours course. I haven't gone through the 11 hours yet. on how to use Python, and it's so valuable. I started to realize that if you can code, you can literally build anything. It's so powerful. Coding, knowing how to code and how to build things with AI using code is so powerful that it has to be something I want to learn, that I have to learn that. So after mastering make.com, I am going to move towards that, but for now I want to start with baby steps. So do that first, get good at it, automate my entire YouTube channel one at a time, and then I can move to learning Python. So here is the YouTube channels that I'm going to be learning this with. I plan on using all free, everything free. I'm not going to invest money into anything unless it's the softwares that I need to use, like make.com. You have to pay for it, it's not free. I'm already paying for ChatGPT, which is not free, and any other video software that I might use later. Those are the things I'm willing to pay for. The first person, I actually put their names here. I think I put it on my list. Let me check their names. I'm going to give you the channel that I'm going to be learning from. In case you want to do it yourself, then you can go do it. The first step is definitely to learn how to even create a YouTube channel, how to pick a niche, and how to create the videos manually. That way, when you're automating it, you actually know the steps that you need to take to automate the process. Because if you don't know how to do it manually, then you don't know what to tell ChatGPT to help you automate. So the first person, when it comes to business ideas and implementation, I watch Liam, and then House, I think his name is, I think that's how you pronounce his name, and I watch Greg as well. Greg's one is a podcast, and it's so useful. I had no idea there was someone like that on YouTube. The podcast is so useful, and I love watching it because they have so many business ideas that you can start. And then for make.com, I'm going to be learning it from Steven. He's very good when it comes to automating businesses, when it comes to YouTube videos and creating videos. He's very good at that, even though personally I think this one is it makes it a bit complicated, especially for beginners, but you have no choice but to learn it. And then I'm also going to be watching the guy called Jono. His name is, I think that's how you pronounce his name, but he's very good at make.com. He uses it in his business, and he teaches you how to automate things, not necessarily videos. I think he did create a video on how to do it using like YouTube or YouTube Short, I think. I'm not really sure. I saw it yesterday, but I am going to be watching him and then learning from him. So after mastering make.com, the other thing that I'm going to learn is coding, and I'm going to be doing that with this channel, freecodecamp.org. That's the main channel that I'll be using to learn coding, because they have so many videos. It's like unlimited videos. So what's the point of paying for something if you can get it for completely free? Yeah, so that's the journey. That's all I plan on doing, and I'm going to be documenting my journey on this channel as I always do. If I learn something, I'm going to come and teach you guys how to do it, in case one of you want to follow the process as well and make money for yourself. So far I'm already making money with my YouTube channel, and I don't really remember how much I've made so far in total, but I'll put it on the screen for you to see it. And I plan on doubling that, tripling that with this strategy, and I hope I can do it. In fact, I know I can do it. I just need to focus and learn everything that I need to learn. So I'll see you guys on the next video that I'll be creating. Have a good day. Bye.